It's me that you want to come and extort.
Is this always the case in most countries, or this only happens in Ghana? In this video, I'll be sharing with you an encounter I had with land guards on a building site in Ghana. So land guards are male representatives of the chiefs in the particular community who oversee plots of land sold to individuals and companies by those chiefs. Most of these land guards were assigned by the chiefs, but some also do that on their own volition, and majority of them too are very violent, just a few are calm and considerate. So this was what transpired earlier today as we started work on the site. Mind you, I've already sorted these people out like I mentioned in my previous video. Hello guys, so yeah, the land guards were here and still demanding that I should give them more money. I refused. They left.
Hello, baby, Jumana.
Jumabe. Jumabe.
What's there now? We are first one.
And your first one.
Hey, day.
Very first one.
Small. Anya now.
You got to what about it?
Again, I get over to the dome.
It was the level hopefully over by Huga. Over by Huga.
Madam.
Yes. What's it? The longest who took my money the last time, no? They are the people who have come again. They said I should come. So let's go.
When they video me like that too.
He said I should come. What should I do?
Take digging fee before you go start. The land you do what top before they go they come.
Digging fee like how?
But I don't know.
Digging fee, I've paid all those things already. Didn't I give you 1,000 Ghana cedis?
No,
I paid you 1,000, and I paid you 1,000, and your friend Ibrahim, he said I'm not dealing with you again. I have to give him the rest of them, and now I should give you digging. That was the digging fee you told me. The last time when I came, you told that was the digging fee. You took 1,000 Ghana cedis from me. Yes, that was it. That time I was just plowing the land, and you said I was coming to dig, and I told I'm not digging. I was not digging, but you took 1,000. So that was the digging fee you took for. It is not bush allowance. It is not bush allowance.
I'm gonna ask you one thing. If you come, will somebody build for your land top?
Please,
No,
please. I've been talking to the other land, Ibrahim. I've been talking to him always.
Call him.
I've been talking to him.
Call him.
He said I should send him money, but I told him that I don't have money now. Yes, because I gave
who go work for you? Who go work? Who go take the bush inside the work? There's somebody else to claim money.
Who?
Yes, some before.
Look, the other time he came, when he called you, why didn't you tell him that who go work here and who go take the money?
You call him.
No, the other time he came, when he came, he said, no, wait. The last time he came here, wait, the last time he came, when he called you, you were like, you begged. You were not supposed to take that 1,000. He said, why did you take the 1,000? He said, you are not supposed to take it. And you were like, yes, I was here when he called you. I was here. I was here.
You lie.
I'm not lying. I was here when he called you. A very stout man came. I was fetching them water. At that time, the one who sells the water hadn't brought the one that we had ordered for yet. So I had to fetch them water by myself, carrying it on my head. I just went to fetch water, and the man came and was asking of the person who owns the land. He was asking the workers and immediately asked them to stop work. Can you imagine? So when I got there, I saw a very stout man, very huge. Like, I became very terrified in the first instance, but I just said, okay, maybe I'll hold your cool. So I held my cool, approached him and asked him who he was, what his name was and all that. And he said he was called Ibrahim, and he says he's the land guard here. He lives in Ashaiman, and then there are the people who are taking care of this land. He is in charge of this place. He's the land guard here, so I have to pay him digging fee. And I was like, we haven't even started work yet. We haven't started digging. So when we start digging, you can come for the digging fee. And it's like, you haven't started with your molding blocks, so you are still working, so you still have to give me digging fee. So I asked him whether he knows Inusa, because when I was plowing this place, Inusa came to me with some other guy and had also stopped us from working, and he had asked us of the same fee, digging fee, and we gave him 1,000 Ghana cedis, 1,000 Ghana cedis as at that time. So he was supposed to share the money with this guy, the stout guy who came yesterday called Ibrahim. He didn't share the money with him. He just went and spent the money with his friend. So I just told him, Inusa took 1,000 already.
You know, say if I take you to the country, I want to I call you, on sit at the end. But you, if you take her there, you know, they do so. They say, right now, they can't do the woman speak stop. I don't know if they give you money. You say now, you could let me move my baby, my body, and something like that. You understand more. Something else, just give answer on the bar.
Guys, we are back. I'm not in the guy. Oba no, I think I could be in the buy. I don't need to know my wish, but when I'm in the that day when he was asking you that why did you take, and he even called Oscar, and all of them were begging him. And he told me blah blah blah. He now called the one who sold the land to me.
So if Elisa go take how they call them? Bush allowance. The bush allowance. Store that matter they talk. Hey, store that matter. If you right now, if you somebody they can't worry the woman, who they call? You know be who they call. You know be who they call, or yes or no? You know be who they call, or they call you sir. Oh, answer my question. If somebody can't stop the woman now. Forget you said my boy. You forget her. I say if somebody they can't stop people work for year or they want you, who they call? Oh, we the matter who they call? If they do so, if it's something you're happy for side, when you call, I know will come. I say where Inusa day now? I don't know if it's Inusa day. Are you where you there now? I did bush. I can't do bush. I see your people. It's like them they work for them. If they do so, if someone they worry people for side, we know come. Huh? I say obese stop with man say Muhammad. You know my friend. Uboni my friend fitashi mani
maybe son say when na or say me first can Inusa ba sad and me person me first can na me frɛ omo nyina omoji phone na omo to me nka hwentre Inusa na Inusa na jiskano me be some say is it the right person to give that money to
abase ko futa ke omo esia wa asia you know my friend fashion market di etumo to abase.
Oh, this can I made the money. Some minutes away, and you know, necessary on Jesus can me be son.
I say, I say, Uncle Fui, like a judgment is here now. A friend's mark of financement, and I say, I swear.
And she talked with him that why did he allow the other guy to take the money? Because when the other guy was coming for the money, I called the one who sold the land to me. The team, everybody was aware of it.
And all of them were begging him. I'll call all of them. I'll call all of them because when I give you the money now, they will come and start attacking me.
I swear. See, my house with this. My house with this.
Yes.
I sleep here. I swear. If you make mistake, we give somebody money. The work no go on. I tell you.
But you know, when Ibrahim came, that is why I'm saying that. That is why I'm saying that. When I
That time that you
call him. No.
Inusa day here. Then you
wait, and right now I don't even have credit. Right now I don't have credit. The last time,
if you go, you don't go the car. One day come away. This your land. Where somebody can do something for top.
But bruh, you have to be considerate. I gave you 1,000 Ghana. Didn't I give you that money? I gave you 10 million. Then you told me that you are not coming to disturb me again. You told me with that 10 million you will not disturb me again. 10 million is not 1,000. 1,000 Ghana cedis. You said you will not disturb me again. That was what we if let me call Faisal for you. Faisal was even the one who talked to you, and you said that with that money I don't have grandfather. Then you told Faisal that you will not disturb me again. Didn't you tell me that when I give you that 10,000 you will not disturb me again? I gave you that money, but
But still, you are coming here that I should give you another money. Why? Me, if the money was there, don't you think that I would have finished doing this building long time ago? If the money was there, wouldn't I have finished doing this thing? I gave you 1,000. You told that day I gave you that money. You told me that you will not disturb me again. But right now you just yes. You told me that you will not disturb me again. You took that money. You say you will not disturb me again.
The one we sell the land give you. The one we sell the land give you. Tell and say me. I say I take digging fee. Then hear what you go tell you.
But you came and took that digging fee at that time.
Why?
You told me. Don't insult me. I never insulted you. Please don't. Please don't make that mistake. Please, I beg you. When I'm talking to you right now, I did not insult you. I gave you the ultimate respect.
Take bush allowance.
I gave you respect. So why are you insulting me?
I don't insult you.
You said I don't have sense. That's an insult. That is an insult. You don't have to insult me.
I say bush allowance.
You don't have to insult me.
Digging fee be different.
So the 2,000 that you guys want to take is
which 2,000?
That day you said that you wanted to.
Always sell land give you. Call the estate man.
Hello. You over can you order.
Man, where can you tell me that kind of come la feel? I'm a tractor valve.
No,
I was
land. One way sell land give them.
No, but why is it that you told me that I gave you one? See, bruh, that sometimes everything has to be fair. That day you said that you talked to Faisal, the soldier man. You told him that after I give you 1,000, you will not disturb me again. That day I didn't have money. I gave you all the money I have, 1,000 Ghana cedis. I gave it to you, and you said, you will not disturb me again. But later Ibrahim and two came. Then they called you. They said that why did you come for the 1,000? You did not tell them, and you alone, you have taken all the money, and you were begging them on the phone. Everything, I heard it, and they said that the rest of the 1,000, they Ibrahim and Baba, they also will come and take that 1,000 and share. Since I've given him 1,000 already, and if I pay that money, then nobody will come and disturb me again. Even him, all of you said you will not disturb me again.
To follow that, everybody will come there and be chopping and going chopping and going.
It is not, so why is it that day when Ibrahim calls?
You don't talk. I want to tell you something. You are telling. You say you give her money. Baba then Ibrahim come here to take another money.
Okay,
they called him. When they came, they called him.
Maybe someone can start the work.
Give money to
I told him that they give money to Inus at 1,000. I told him.
Then you tell them that if there is something.
And Inusa told him that it's only 1,000 that I gave to him. So I didn't give him 2,000. So the rest of the money is with me. They can take it from me. That day I was here.
I said down for bush allowance. So you declare for bush allowance that we did. Yeah,
bush allowance. The machine came in because the place is full. The place is full.
If you go rent them, you go pay everything. Come, you go start the machine.
The place was full of bush. Okay, what if I said I will not clear that? Right now, the time that I came, the land was still like this. It was like this. It was like this before I came and cleared it. See. That time I came, it was just like this now, and I came and cleared it. What if that time I said I will not dig it? I just want to dig foundation.
It be thick like this.
It was not thick like that. It was not thick like that. The only thing that was there was these things there, and the other thing here. This one and this. So you took my money, and you are coming to request for another money, and you are threatening me that I will not do my work. And on top, you insulted me also. You insulted me, When you came, I gave you respect, but you insulted me. When I gave you the money first, you told me you were not coming for any other money from me again. I can come and work. That was what you told me. Now, when I passed by, your wife told you that I've come here, then you chased me and you are chasing me for money.